Hey, Awaken. Continuing on with Paul's letter to the Philippians, today we're going to read verses 3 and 5 of chapter 1. Paul writes, I thank my God in all my remembrance of you, always in every prayer of mine, making all of my prayers with joy, because of your partnership in the gospel from the first day until now. There's nothing quite like isolation to make you miss fellowship. I don't know about you, but we've only really been fully online for 1 week, and I already miss meeting together. What we see in Paul's letter here, right from the get go, is that Paul's heart is bursting with fondness for the Philippians right from the start here. I mean, who talks like this anymore? I thank my God every time I remember you. Every time I think of you, I thank God for your presence in my life. Nobody really talks like that anymore, but we know that when Paul says it, it seems to be very sincere. He genuinely loved these people, he cared for them deeply, and he was mindful of each of them. He also says that he's grateful for their partnership in the gospel. Now, when Paul uses this word partnership, it's the Greek word koinonia, which is the same word that Luke uses in Acts 2 when he's talking about the fellowship that is shared by the early believers. So there's this sense of koinonia, of fellowship or intimate community, but also partnership, which really gives us the sense of they're working together towards a common goal. In fact, when Plato used the word koinonia, he was referring to a business partnership. So there was some type of common goal that they shared, some type of common activity, and in this case, Paul is just thrilled that he gets to partner together with the Philippians for the purposes of the good news of Jesus. So if every Sunday morning during this season you're looking at your screen and you're watching our services on Facebook and you're feeling a little bit discontent, I would suggest to you that you're in a good place, because the fellowship that we share in Jesus is not meant to be limited to a screen. No, the real thing is that when we get to meet together, and I've begun to really cherish the things that I think I've taken for granted for so long. God means for us to be together in community, and so I can't wait till we can be together under the same roof again here soon. We'd love to hear from you. Use the hashtag #AwakenHope to share a passage of Scripture that is igniting hope in your heart. Thanks again. We'll see you tomorrow.